things I make, the shop, and how I'm actually growing this business. Hello, we're here today with an update on the progress on what's going on in my shop. So in this video, I want to talk about the progress, and I want to show you some of the updates and give you some tips on maybe you want to open up your own shop and the progress that goes along with it. So if you see the value in this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you're not already a subscriber, subscribe to my channel by clicking that subscribe button, because I do an upload every single Tuesday. So hey, it's Diane from Vermont Lavender, and we fix dry skin so you feel more comfortable. And today we're going to talk about the progress of the shop with some little tips. So this is not the area right here, but it is my little shooting area. And today we have, let me just put this here. I'll cut that out. So this is the new door, the new front door. So come on, take a look. I don't know if you can see through that. Isn't that beautiful? That's what the contractor and my husband picked out. And it's like a plum maroon color. And obviously there's a lot more that has to be cleaned up over here, but that's okay. But it's really, really pretty. I love it. And that's the front entryway. There you go. It's always a good idea to have a deadbolt on your door. And let's see, what else here? Oh, I want to show you the windows that they've put in. So this is a nice window right here. It's beautiful. We've had this in storage for the past few years and we never knew what to do with it. Well, here you go. So it's always good to save some stuff and maybe later you're going to use it. So this is part of the entryway window. So it'll probably be like a little display window of a couple little items, and that's the front entryway that people walk in. And then this window here was supposed to go here, but then they changed it. And it makes more sense because it's a nice bigger window. So right here, this will be a smaller window that'll go in. And that's still part of the entryway. So that'll give me some light when I'm doing, like, I'm thinking like this area here, I'll do like the labeling and putting the products together. And then over here, this will be an area, of course you get the saws and all that stuff still, but this will be an area where I'm going to do shipping and my packaging, because there's the door. The post office is right next to this building. That's the way to do it. You have an online business, you buy a property, and it's right next to the post office. So you can package and ship your stuff, open up the door, bam, deliver it right to the post office. There you go. So my shipping time will be a lot faster. Last year it was like averaged about 2 days. Sometimes I did it in a day, but now it'll be within a few hours, it'll be right to the post office. So I'm giving you great customer service by providing fast shipping. So the tips that I wanted to give is, if you're thinking about owning or opening up your own business, especially a retail shop, one of the best ideas that you can do, first of all, is have a business plan. And people always tell you that. You can have like a one-page business plan of what you're thinking about, you know, the ideas of the financing that will have to happen, the who you need to have as part of your team. So you need like lawyers, you need a real estate agent, you need a property inspector. There's quite a few different aspects of opening up your own shop. So I just wanted to give you that one little tip. Let me see over here, hold on. I kind of wrote it down. Okay, so it's like a map. A business plan is like a map, and to really have a successful business, you need to know where you're going. And this is one of the things that I did. I have an accounting degree, so it was easier for me to actually write a business plan. But I also have a team that is like a business coach. I have a lawyer. I have a real estate lawyer because there's many different types of lawyers. I have a real estate agent and many other accountant, a CPA. So people like that can really help you focus on where you want to go with your business. So if you want to learn more about growing a skincare business and what I do in my skincare business, go to my next video on the shop, and it talks about the shop and things like that. And I'll put a link in the description below. So, okay, I'll see you next Tuesday. And don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already a subscriber. And I want to thank you for watching today, and have a great day. Hello and welcome to Vermont Lavender YouTube channel. Stop!